Welcome to Leaseryt. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through setting up your leasing profile, the first step to making future RFQs faster, smarter, and totally hassle-free. Let's get started. Once you log in, start by completing your company profile. This helps tailor the platform to your organization's needs. Before you create your first leasing profile, you'll want to set up your exclusion list. Head over to the exclusion list section to define which car brands, body types, or fuel types you'd like to restrict. For example, sports cars or petrol vehicles that don't align with your company policy. This list will be referenced across all leasing profiles, ensuring consistency and control over what's available to your employees. Now you're ready to create your leasing profile. Start by selecting the default fleet manager role and start building your leasing profile. Note that you can always add more profiles later using the Add New button. Decide if you want to activate the contribution, otherwise called down payment. Then choose whether to use an exclusion list. Your previously saved exclusion list will be applied here. You can review it at any time to ensure it matches the profile's needs. You can also create different profiles, say for executives versus managers, each with their own exclusions and leasing service preferences. Now define your leasing services. You'll see 6 defaults already filled in, which you can adjust and assign weightages, like prioritizing maintenance, for example. Before you finish, review your profile summary. This gives you a complete view of all selected settings, including services and contribution preferences. If everything looks good, click Create Profile to save it. You're all set. Your leasing profile is now ready and save you time on every request for quotation moving forward. Want to see it in action? Watch the next video to learn how to create your first RFQ in Leaseryt.